Hi everyone, welcome back to LGQUEEN Home Decor. My name is Linda and I'm so happy you're here. I'm so excited to share today's video, which is a DIY living room makeover and Christmas decorate with me. You will see living room decorating ideas, DIY wall arts, a DIY accent wall, and holiday decor ideas. I'm doing a giveaway in today's video to say thank you so much for being here and showing me your love and support. You don't go unnoticed and I'm so thankful to have you here. I will be giving away $100 via PayPal to one winner, and all you have to do to enter this giveaway is subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment, click the bell to turn on all post notifications, that way you're notified whenever I upload a new video, and give this video a like. The winner will be announced 1 week from today and I'll leave all the details in the description box. Many of you may know I updated my seating area in my living room and I featured it a while back in a previous living room makeover. With our growing family, I wanted to get back into having a larger and even more relaxing seating area. When I was searching on Lamps Plus website, I couldn't believe it when I came across this Sky Paint and Pearl modular sectional, you guys. It reminded me so much of a sectional at Restoration Hardware that is identical and was also almost more than triple the price. If you're someone watching who's potentially in the market of updating your living room seating or lighting in your home, I know if you take a look on the Lamps Plus website, you will find the perfect piece to give your home a refresh or complete the ultimate makeover. I really like how comfortable and customizable this sectional is for my family. I even added 2 extra pieces to the sectional to make it a larger seating area. I added an armless chair and the ottoman. I know you may be thinking, how is this fabric going to stay clean with kids? But the great news is that it features LifeSmart stain resistant and moisture repellent fabric. I can also say it's like sitting or laying on a cloud, you guys. The cushions are super fluffy, comfortable, and are of superb quality. It can be delivered to your home with free shipping, and all you have to do is unbox, attach the legs, add the cushions, and you're all set to enjoy. Almost all of my lighting and chandeliers are from Lamps Plus. Their products have brought the best out of my home, and I highly recommend Lamps Plus to all of my family and friends. I will leave links in the description box to everything you see in today's video. I will also include a small clip of my bedroom makeover that I featured not too long ago in case you missed it. I'm all about inspiring you and helping you make your house a home. A huge thank you to Lamps Plus for sponsoring today's video. Here's how my new DIY living room makeover turned out, you guys. Absolutely love the way this sectional made this room feel more cozy and welcoming. I'm so happy to have this piece in my home because my family and I can all sit comfortably to enjoy our time together. I would love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know your thoughts on this DIY living room makeover. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found inspiration and motivation to tackle on your next project. Make sure to check out Lamps Plus website, the link is in my description box. I'm sure you're going to find something you love for your home. If you know someone that could use some holiday cheer or someone that needs help decorating, please share this video with them and don't forget to enter today's giveaway. This concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching and for being here. I'll talk to you on my next video. Take care and happy holidays.